Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head to B&Q and we're going to check out the fruit and veg. They've also had a brand new delivery of tomato plants, so we're going to go through every variety. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, jumping straight into it, this is a fresh delivery and the labels are mixed up. So we've got some lemon sherbet just here mixed with some bush steak ones. Now the steak ones are the larger variety. Then we've got the tumbling toms, the yellow ones, which are trailing variety, and the Gordmanson, which are like the two-toned ones. We have some smaller totem. They've got a really good selection of these. These are more like your cherry tomatoes. As you can see there, they are a little on the little side, but as I discussed, it is still quite early at the moment. So we've got more bush steak tomatoes, and the bush steaks being the larger varieties. We have the super steaks as well, same size. More of the two-tone ones then. We have some Premio varieties, and then we also have some cocktail crush, which are more like your cherry tomatoes. Really decent selection of veg, so let's get into these. I'll show you everything that they've got. So cabbage, now all of these are £2.50 and the tomatoes are all £2 for individual pots. So we've got red cabbage just here. Cabbage stonehead, which is like almost your traditional variety of cabbage. Then we've got the early peas. So if you don't know, you've got early and late. Obviously the earlier ones are in right now, so we can get them going for the earlier crop. Varieties Barcelona when it comes to cauliflower, which is your white broccoli, sorry. Marathon broccoli. More cauliflower just there. More peas. We've got some rainbow beetroot, so there'll be a few in each cell. Just plant them exactly as they are, then you can thin them out or either grow them on and harvest them as they are. And then we've got some kale there as well, some red monarch kale. So moving on to strawberries, £6.50 for a 6-pack. These aren't showing any flowers as yet, but they have got some larger ones I'll show you a little bit later on in the video, what are absolutely full of flower and full of bud. Moving around then, we have some beetroot, some Bolt Hardy, that's more like your traditional red. More cauliflower Barcelona. More Marathon. Broccoli, your white variety of broccoli. More cauliflower. Moving on to the onions. And also red kale again. More multicoloured beetroot. Same varieties there, but we have got some red cauliflower there, graffiti. More kale. And then we've got some leeks. Again, multiple sown in there, so you can plant them out as is in the cells. Then more of the same that we've already looked at. So moving around with the sweet peas labelled as vegetables, but I'll forgive you B&Q. So we've got some more cauliflower graffiti. And as you can see there, it's actually really good stock. You can plant these out now. Just watch the birds because they will like an early harvest on these. So different variety of kale then. So reflex. And they're all sweet peas. Moving on to fruit now then, so we've still got a decent selection of fruit canes for £6. Now we've got early or late varieties, so that literally means whether they flower early or they flower later on. Decent selection of gooseberries, raspberries, white berry, blackberry, red berry. really good, to be fair. And £6, I feel like they're a half decent price. I don't feel like these are too expensive for the size of the plants. You can get them slightly cheaper in B&M. I think they've got an offer on these at the moment for 3 for £10, but they're not this size, so that's just worth bearing in mind at what starting point you want to get to. My only gripe is everything's always mixed in together. They've never really got the selections of each, if that makes sense. So you're kind of looking through all the time to find a hidden gem. So as you can see here, I'm just sort of scrambling through. So as mentioned, black currants, white currants, raspberries, and there's several different varieties, as you can see here. But as mentioned, good quality, lots of lovely new shoots in there. Now when planting these, just make sure you give them a really good water early on in spring, and then you can leave them to do their thing for the rest of the year. These should produce flowers and fruits for you this year, with them being this size. The smaller ones will also, but bear in mind you're going to get a much less crop compared to buying something a little bit bigger. As you can see there, you have your autumn, which I mean you buy your lates. So bear that in mind when you're buying them. Autumn meaning autumn flowering. Pink currants, and then finishing with red currants. And then we've got a £20. That's been there for ages, but you can get gooseberries in the 3 for £5 offer at B&M also. So these are the larger ones then, the larger strawberries, and as you can see, lots of lovely flowers on there for £5. They're going to give you a really good crop even in the first year. So they are a very similar price to what you can buy 6 for, but obviously you can guarantee that you'll be getting some flowers and some fruits this year, and probably quite a lot by the looks of it. Got some slightly larger ones then here for £9. So we've got blackberries, we've got the earlies, and windberries, which is something I'm not too familiar with. Then raspberry canes. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. I very rarely ask, but I was just looking at my analytics the other day, and I think sort of 80% of my viewers are actually unsubscribed. So do me a big favor, just hit the follow button. I'd really appreciate it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You have a lovely bank holiday.